We can't remember everything. Sometimes we have to search just a little bit. Luckily, QuickBooks has a really great search tool. If you click just on the search box, you get a list of the last 10 transactions that you've done. Just click on the expense, transaction, whatever it is, and it brings you right in there. You can also use the advanced search by clicking on search and clicking on advanced search down here. Now you can search by transaction type or any number of fields within transactions. Personally, I use the amount line or total or line description quite frequently. And if you just do a search, you get a list. You can even do a date filter on that. So if you're looking for something in a specific time period, you can really drill down and find what you're looking for. Hope that helps. Thanks for joining me, and happy searching.